What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are gonna spy on some Facebook ads using Visto. So let's dive in. Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck. Alright, so I'm inside of Visto and we are gonna do some spying on some Facebook ads today. And I already filled in one filter, which is the language filter. So I filter the ads for the ad language English, just to make sure that everybody can read what the ads say. And we're gonna do a keyword search because, as you can see, these are a lot of corporate ads included. So let's do something like solar. I know a lot of you guys tend to promote solar office on Facebook, of course. So let's see. All right, we've got one right here in the USA to the Cut Your Power Bill event, powered by Power Home Solar. Limited bonus offer, qualified homeowners can get $2,000 cash back on top of the 26% solar tax credit after you install USA-made solar plus generic backup battery for $0 down through Power Home Solar. Qualified homeowners may save thousands on their electric bills. Additionally, the generic backup battery system will make sure you're never left in the dark. Click below to see if your home qualifies. It takes 30 seconds. Alright, so a lot going on in this ad, and then we have this picture of this guy installing this solar panel on a roof. So let's discuss this piece of text first. So limited bonus offer, that creates scarcity, right? Limited bonus offer. So you're telling the user, act now because you might be too late otherwise, which is usually a pretty good way to get your visitor, get your user into action. Otherwise, they might think, oh, I'll do it later, and they will never do it later. I can tell you that. So good stuff at the beginning. Limited bonus offer. Qualified homeowners can get $2,000 cash back. So another good way, right? Cash back, you get your money back, you get $2,000 discount. Whatever it is, it's always good to promote that if you are able to give that, right, in the offer. On top of the 26% solar tax credit, well, that's just the solar tax credit. After you installed US-made solar plus generic backup battery. So US-made, that only works for the US. Like if you want to promote in a European country, for example, then it wouldn't have a lot of added value to say European made. Or if you're promoting in France, France made. That wouldn't add a lot of value to the customers in Europe. But in the USA, they do put a lot of value to products that are being made in the US. So a little bit more patriotic. So good stuff there. Generic, what a weird name by the way, but generic backup battery for $0 down through Power Home Solar. Qualified homeowners may save thousands on their electric bills. Additionally, the generic backup battery system will make sure you're never left in the dark. That's another pain point, right? So pain points are things that people do not like, and it's usually the reason why they do not buy a certain product. So a pain point of solar panels might be people being afraid of being in the dark. When maybe the sun hasn't come around for a couple days, they're afraid that they won't have any power. They're left out in the dark and in the cold. So that's why they don't want solar panels. So you basically tackle that pain point by saying the
generic backup battery system will make sure you're never left in the dark. So good stuff there. Click below to see if your home qualifies. It takes 30 seconds. So that it takes 30 seconds is a good addition to make sure that the user gets that it's not gonna, they don't have to spend half a day filling out answers to find out whether their home is qualified or not. So good addition there. And the image is quite all right. A little bit too generic if you ask me, but that's all fine. Let's see if we have a landing page. All right, take our 30-second solar survey and get paid $2,000 when you get solar and battery for no cost at install. Do you own a home? Okay. Is your monthly electricity bill usually higher than $100? All right. So we have to put in a zip. All right, whoops. There we go. All right, so this is just a opt-in, right? So this will get all your information, and then you've done the opt-in, and you're probably already a conversion. All right. Let's see if we have something else. You know what? Let's go to some drones. Let's see if there are some drone ads out there. I know this is a pretty big vertical in Facebook as well. Of course, e-commerce, but drones is a very popular part of that right now. Let's see what we have. I can see quite some videos, which is good, right? You can see the actual drone flying around, so I always like videos, but the pictures are okay as well. This one I don't get. Reverse engineering the aromatics and biochemicals. Okay, all right. So it's a drone based on birds. Not really that interesting. So let's check out one of these videos actually. So music and SFX for your shots. So this is more of a software program to get your music underneath your footage of your drone. But still a nice video and decent text. I feel like it's a bit corporate and a bit commercialized, but that's all right. Damn, look at all those videos. All right, a lot of the same though. Let's see, what else do we have? Let's just watch a random one, all right? Let's take a look at this one. All right. In the meantime, let's read the description above. Knowing I'll be able to fly my new drone in my back garden, the local park, and places around the city, as long as I stick to the right distances, is amazing. UAV Hub's course is a well-structured, easy to follow, and all drone pilots can learn something from it. Definitely worth the money to stay on the right side of the law. So this offer is more focused on teaching you how to fly a drone in a proper legal way than it is about e-commercing the drone itself. But still a pretty good angle on it though. So knowing I'll be able to fly my new drone in my back garden, the local park, and places around the city as long as I stick to the right distances is amazing. So what the affiliate does here is, within those brackets, right, as long as I stick to the right distances, that might pop up questions to the user about, okay, what kind of rules are there about distancing when flying my drone? Where can I fly and where can I not fly? I can apparently fly above the local park and places around the city, but it's only as long as I stick to the right distances. What are the right distances? And that's a pretty good way to let the user think that way, because if they think that way, they want to learn about it. And when they want to learn about it, where and where not to fly with a drone, you want the solution to that. And the solution is exactly what they're offering, right? A course teaching you how to fly a drone and how to legally fly a drone, right? Very important addition there. Definitely worth the money to stay on the right side of the law. Okay, all right, pretty cool, pretty cool. I've never seen an ad for drone flying courses before, but it's interesting. What else do we have? So this looks interesting to me too. There's no text at all, so that's very bad, right? Always put a description in there and tell your audience why they need to visit your page, obviously.
Wow! Look how steady it is!
Sorry about this. All right, let's see if we can find one more. A lot of offers here. Christmas sale. Yeah, these are quite old actually. All right. Do we have one good one we can review? I see quite a lot of the same results in here. So definitely marketers, affiliate marketers are pushing their offers for real on Facebook. Whoops, what happens, Visto? Oh, there we go. All right. What is this? Experience new perspectives with DJI Mini 2. So this is just the company itself promoting. So I suggest we leave it there and we'll do some more spying in the future. So stay tuned for more videos like this one and we'll get a little bit deeper into the content about how to copyright for your Facebook ads and what kind of images or videos, as we just seen, you should use to create the best ads for your Facebook campaign. So that's gonna be it. Catch you next time. Peace out.